Hi, in this video we will review one of the most powerful targeting and customization features in Usetiful, the tags. What are tags and how are they used? Tags provide Usetiful with additional information about end users, information which you choose to send. This information can be used to personalize the tour content and to target tours to specific user groups within your application. What happens next? When the page is loaded, your application adds the information to the tags section of the Usetiful installation script. Usetiful script reads the information provided in tags, the keys and their respective values. Once this is done, the script will then personalize the content and target the content to the right users. This happens instantaneously, and the script will proceed to display relevant, personalized tours to the target users. Once your application is set to send tags information, you can use them to personalize and target content from within the Usetiful dashboard. Thanks for watching.